Hello, welcome everyone to question number 6, largest number possible in the topic greedy in GFG's must do coding interview question. Have a quick look at this question and we'll be discussing the meaning and approach behind it. Before that, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and support us. And if you have any doubt, just leave a comment down below. We'll be very quick to respond. Now coming to the question here, we have to find the largest number possible by using the value s here. S is equal to 20. We have to use this 20 number and we have to find the largest sum. Okay, and you can see here there is 3 units of space here. 992 3 units are there, and here n is equal to 2. N represent number of units. Okay, we have to make sure whatever sum we are making, that should contain inside the number of units. Okay, and also this 20 should be used fully. If this value is not used totally, then we return -1. The value is fully, then we return the number of units value. Okay, let us continue to the example so you can understand more clearly. Now it is saying 3 units. Now we are going to use for loop and we are going to iterate 3 times according to this example. First time we are going to subtract -1. Why we are subtracting -9 here? Because 9 is the maximum value in the numbers from 0 to 9. 9 is the most maximum number possible, so we're subtracting 9 only. Okay, and we are going to ensure the maximum number comes first. We can say if the given value, if s is greater than 9, then we say s will be equal to s minus 9. Okay, and whatever the value we have subtracted, we're going to add it to a string value here, and we're going to append the subtracted value towards a string here. So we will make sure this condition satisfied. Okay, in the similar manner, now we are subtracting 9. Okay, we have subtracted. Now s will become 11, and subtracted value should be added to a string here, so that will be 9. Again we have 11 value left here. Okay, we can still continue. 11 minus 9, 11 is greater than 9, so we can easily subtract with 9. Okay, now 9 value has been subtracted. After that we have 2 as the s value. Okay, now 2 is the maximum value, we cannot go beyond 2, so we can only subtract with 2, and 2 minus 2 will be 0 here. Okay, so s value is 0 after this, and we're going to append 2 as we discussed. Now we have satisfied the number of units here, 992, perfect, and we're going to return this to a function. In another case could be, okay, just imagine s value is 29 instead of 20, and same we have to apply 3 units of space here. Okay, let us try this. 29, okay, and it is greater than 9, so we can subtract 9 here. After subtracting, we got 20 value, and we're going to add subtracted value to the string. We got 9, and this 20 will repeat the same string here. Okay, if we use the same string, we'll get 992 here. But I told number of units should be 3. So 999 is 5. 999 is 5. We have no problem with it. But we have problem with the last unit. Okay. If we have any value remain after iterating the number of units, if any value is remaining inside the s variable, this one, if it is remaining, then we say -1 and return it to the function. And one more case is there. If sum is equal to 0 and the n value is greater than 1 here, in this case also we return -1 only. Okay, you have to remember these 2 points. I hope you have understood the approach and meaning. What is the largest number possible? If you have any doubt, comment down below, and I hope after seeing the code that will be clear. Now we are inside the Geeks website, and we have used the same condition that we have mentioned. We are making sure if the sum is 0 and n is greater than 1, we are returning -1. Okay, after that we have taken a st variable, and this will be storing the values that we are going to subtract. We have taken a loop, and this loop will consist the unit values only. Okay, if the s value is greater than 9, we are doing -9 subtraction, and we're going to add 9 to the string. Else if s is smaller than 9, then we are subtracting s minus s only, because it cannot exceed the given value. Okay, if it is 9, if it is 876, obviously the subtracted value cannot be greater than that, right? So we're making sure we're using that only. So after doing that, s will become 0 in this case, and we're going to add that into a string here. Okay, after iterating the loop, and all the elements will be added to the string variable here. Okay, and now we are checking finally if s value is greater than 0. If s value is greater than 0, that means we have not used the s value totally. So that means the number of n units given is not sufficient for us. So in that case, we return -1. If s value is equal to 0, okay, if s value is equal to 0, then that means we have used the value successfully. In that case, we're going to simply return the string variable by converting into a integer format. I hope you have understood the question and also the code behind it. If you like the video, give us a like, and if you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe and support our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in another question.